All right, gang, here we are. We're still working on the bedside. I've got my little cheat here. I've got my Magnatech mat on the bedside. Kind of controls and dampens the sound a little bit. I'm here in an apartment complex, so on a mobile basis I do that. So now our next step, and you can see we've got a lot of this metal to have moved out and flattened a bit at the top. The opposite's what we're going to need to do at this end. I've got to actually pull some of this top of the bedside up so that some of this metal that's bulged out can go back in. So for this operation, we're going to be using the Pico K-bar and the oval tab. I've already prepped my panel. I've cleaned it with 99% pure isopropyl alcohol. I'm going to give a nice smooth layer of glue. The Camauto glue again is what I'm using. I'm going to lay that tab in right on the top of the bedside. And as that sets up, I'm going to get my K-bar ready, get it adjusted. Got my foot on. I've got a good strong section here that I can pull. And I'm just going to begin to move that metal up so that I can get some of this bulge to flow back in where it wants to go. We've got the Kiko light, the 36-inch shop light. Your first look at that provides a great reflection. You can see this bulge coming out. Earlier in the video we had a large damage here because this area was also up, and so it had taken a lot of this area and gone in. And again, whether you're in the body shop, you get to a point where you can skim coat this if it needs paint work, or if you're a PDR technician, it's a great tool to move a lot of metal quickly to get you going in the right direction. And again, as I begin to move this up, you'll be able to see this metal will flex a little bit. I'm going to relieve a little of that pressure at the same time. And I've got constant force coming up. So while I'm tapping, this force coming up is telling that metal where to go. That flow is going to go back in to the top, into the top of that bed. And you can see how well that Camauto glue adheres and gives us a lengthy working time without cracking and ripping off. And again, I want to have a controlled pull. I don't want to get in there and just wham and rip that tab off. I want to go slowly and methodically so that I can bring that metal where it wants to go.